Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. For the International Conference on Communication Management Humanities, we would like to present a paper entitled Factors Influencing Students' Participation as Club Committees at Politeknik Iccomah. This paper is written by Roslina Amiruddin and Sarah Zainal Abidin Shah. For the purpose of presentation, I will do the presentation. Introduction. Students' participation in clubs at Politeknik Iccomah, or also known as PO, is vibrant and integral aspect of campus life. In PO itself, you can see a lot of students participate in many types of clubs. We have many clubs in PO. Therefore, engaging in clubs at PO goes beyond mere extracurricular activities. It's a pathway to holistic development. Students who participate in these clubs are exposed to a myriad of experiences that contribute to their personal growth and academic journey. By taking on roles such as leaders, organizers, or participants, students gain practical insights into leadership, event management, teamwork, and effective communication. Skills that transcend the boundaries of the classroom and invaluable in their future careers. Problem statement. The Commerce Department Club, or CDC, at PO serves as a vital platform for students to engage in extracurricular activities and gain valuable experiences. However, we notice there exists notable variation in the level of students' participation as club committee members. We notice there is a downward trend in students' participations in club, especially in CDC. Therefore, this study explores the factors such as students' commitment, perceived benefits, and prior experience in influencing students' participation as club committees in CDC and PO. For literature review, for the first literature is we will look at students' commitment and its relation towards club committees' participation. According to Chang and Alcantara, 2007, excessive external commitments can potentially hinder students' academic success if they do not allocate sufficient time for their studies. However, students who have demanding schedules are compelled to be more attentive and organized, thereby enhancing their time management skills. According to Robotham and Julian, 2006, insufficient dedication may give rise to unsolved disagreements or concerns inside the club, thereby fostering a negative ambience and diminishing engagement. According to Stewart et al., 2011, experienced challenges in managing their time due to conflicting obligations. According to a report by Universities UK in 2015, students may encounter difficulties in effectively balancing their caring responsibilities with their other academic and personal commitments. Based on these literatures, we can see that there is a positive and negative relationship between student commitment towards participations in club. For the second literature, we will look at perceived benefit and its relation towards club committees' participation. According to Lumley, Ward, Roberts, and Mann, 2015, the acquisition of skills such as active listening, negotiation, and teamwork not only contributes to the development of positive attitudes, but also enhances academic performance. According to Cheng and Zhao, 2007, participation in club allows students to develop skills and attitudes that help them to understand other socio-cultural realities, identify problems, and participate in peaceful conflict resolution. Chang and Zhao also come up with a statement where engagement in extracurricular club provides students with opportunities to cultivate skills and attitudes conducive to comprehending diverse socio-cultural contexts, recognizing societal challenges, and engaging in non-violent conflict resolution. Therefore, it is contended that these educational approaches foster a commitment to continuous learning, active participation in civic affairs, and commitment to fairness and equalities. For the third literature, on prior experience and its relation towards club committees' participation. According to Aiken 2013, prior experience as member of a club committee can exert a notable and favorable influence on fostering the engagement of others in extracurricular pursuits. The demonstration of these qualities in practice tends to enhance the likelihood of others engaging in participation, as it establishes a favorable precedent. And according to McCarthy 2000, individuals have ability to facilitate the integration of new members into these networks, thereby offering supplementary motivations for engagement in individual development. The prior experiences of club committee members have potential to exert a positive influence on individual inclination to engage in club activities. Which leads us to our research questions and objective. We have come up with 3 research questions and objectives. The first research question: what is the relationship between students' commitment and club committees' participation? Therefore, our research objective is to identify the relationship between students' commitment and club committees' participation. The second research question: what is the relationship between perceived benefit and club committees' participation? Which leads us to our research objective number 2, to identify the relationship between perceived benefit and club committees' participation. And our final research question: what is the relationship between prior experience and club committees' participation? Which leads us to our third research objective, is to identify the relationship between prior experience and club committees' participation. Based on the previous literatures and our objective, we have come up with 3 research hypotheses. The first one is there is a significant relationship between students' commitment and club committees' participation. The second is there is a significant relationship between perceived benefit and club committees' participation. And finally, there is a significant relationship between prior experience and club committees' participation. This is our research framework. As you can see here, we have 3 independent variables, which are students' commitment, perceived benefit, and prior experience. And our independent variable is club committees' participation. For our research design and methodology, the research design is we use a type of study using quantitative approach. The sample size is 150 students from Commerce Department, Politeknik Ungku, Ipoh. For the collection of data, the data is collected by using questionnaire involving students from Politeknik Ungku. For the measurement of the instrumentation, we use nominal, ordinal, and interval scale. The interval scale are used to measure non-numeric concepts. For line 1, which brings strongly disagree, up until 5, which brings strongly agree. And finally, for data analysis, we use SPSS version 25, and the technique used are frequency tests, reliability analysis, and Pearson correlation analysis. As for data analysis and discussion of findings, we have laid out 3 objectives. The first objective is to identify the relationship between students' commitment and club committees' participation. The results showed there is a positive, significant relationship between student commitment with the club committee's participation. For the second objective, to identify the relationship between perceived benefit and club committee's participation. The relationship showed a significant positive relationship of 0.798. It shows that there is a positive relationship between perceived benefit with the club committee's participation. And finally, the third objective is to identify the relationship between prior experience and club committee participation. When the results showed a positive and significant of 0.8 to 1, this shows that there is a positive relationship between prior experience with the club committee participation. The correlation supported all the hypotheses where there is a significant relationship, in a way that there is a positive relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variables. As a conclusion, this study sheds light on the multifaceted factors that influence students' participation as club committees at Politeknik Ungku. One prominent factor influencing students' participation as club committee is their possession of leadership skills which came from prior experience. Students who demonstrate leadership abilities are more likely to take on roles within club committees. These findings underscores the importance of leadership development programs within the institution to encourage greater involvement among students. Time constraint and commitment required for committee roles emerge as significant factors affecting participation. Students who perceive that committee responsibility may interfere with the academic commitments are less likely to take on such roles. Ultimately, fostering active participation in club committees not only enriches students' experiences but also contributes to a vibrant and inclusive campus community, promoting personal growth and leadership development among students. We believe that future researchers should continue to explore these factors and evaluate the impact of intervention aimed at increasing participation in clubs activities. Thank you.